Good morning, and what's up? I'm Cheyenne Beltran, and I want to do a 5-minute makeup challenge slash tutorial. So if you're into this, just keep on watching. We're not going to go full glam like I normally do on here today. We're going to keep it very basic. And yeah, so we're going to start off with this. I don't have eyeshadow primers anymore. So I just use my concealer to prime the lid, and that's what we're gonna do. So let's get in. And I feel like we are missing something here, so I'm just gonna do something back here, so don't mind. I just wanted to feature something in my video, which might be rare, and this is my first time doing it. So if you don't know, I have a candle burning right there. I just got this candle maybe a few days ago. Yeah, I did, on Monday. So I'm happy with this candle. It's called 'Tis the Season, since it's still that time. So I'm like, let's just get this candle. So I'm going to take my baby sample of the Naked Skin Concealer in Light Neutral. They only have 2 shades in the sample, but they have more in their full size. Like, if you don't want that much makeup for like a neutral day, like you want to be minimalist, do this. Like, I love my makeup. It's just I wear so much. I just try to wear less now. And I said 5 minutes, and it's going so fast. We need to hop in quickly. So I gotta clean this, so that's why I have a cleaning set. But this is the palette we're using. And I just need a flat shader one. So we're gonna start with Tempera to set the whole lid. It's like the best, like, cream base for your lid. Oh my god, I gotta go quicker. Yeah, I gotta go quick, guys. This is horrible. Ugh. Crap. Do you ever want this cleaner? Okay, so I'm just gonna take raw sienna, burnt orange, and cypress umber, and run that in my crease, because I have like 2 minutes left of this video. Holy crap. Holy shit. I'm like, we're not even done. Oh my god. Okay, quick. Was this like the time when you want to go so neutral? You gotta go quicker. So I'm taking Vermeer and Primavera all over the lid. Oh shit, I'm not gonna make it. Okay, I'm gonna take my new mascara from Maybelline. I hate this, but oh shit, I'm not gonna make it, guys. And I don't make it. Fuck. Yep. I failed this challenge. I said under 5 minutes, but now it's going to be under 6. So, just to finish off, what I've been doing is these two together, and it's perfect. So, you take your gloss first and make Forever, or any lip gloss you have. Mine's in the shade Artist. Rub her in. Try keeping this under 6 so we can finish on the grip. Grab your the nudist lip. Mine is Birthday Suit, and we're finished. Holy crap, I think I finished quickly. And I did not set. Now this is going to be 1 second. Hold on. Oh, wait. Okay, I did not smudge that much. Just a tad. But this is the completed neutralist look I've been doing lately. I'm trying not to go so bold on my lids. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little challenge video. If you did, just give it a like, thumbs up, and comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video in under 5 minutes. And yeah, bye guys.